Yo papakiwo pipi mo machop matsosisi ya lava ay nga ipalipad. Happy birthday to you, dear Junior. Birthday, Anui aloha sofana, ialea tua. Hey, sao nghi rồi? Anh bật kêu à?
So we are here at the Mangere Flea Markets, so come with us. The market is not full, but it usually is full. Så long så follow your free single beds. Whoa.
Oh, it's alright. Yeah.
When you deliver it.
Because it's currently 9:56.
I know we started up on the wrong foot, baby, but with the battle is took the victory.
I don't like the smell of fish.
Oh, I think there's. Oh, wait, is there a singing outside? I'm pretty sure there's a.
I think it's there.
Look in the countdown. This is the countdown.
Oh. Oh, look at this polo. Goods in here.
Hi.
Halloween. Nope.
Hi. A kebab, one kebab.
Can you get two?
One. Oh, two.
Two.
You. My mom.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Pretty much. What would you rate it?
A 9 out of 10. This guy just stood in front of us and gave us the thumbs up. And
Oh, I didn't capture that, but he's such a nice man. I'll see you in the next clip.
That one is from Tokelau.
Oh, that smells really good.
Our famous Tongan one, it's tui. So it's a nut that we chew back in the Tongan, in the island.
Oh,
So
okay.
we chew it, these like juice that comes out of it, and like,
Oh, yeah.
like use it to stir it and
Are you Tongan or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, no. How much are you selling it
So
for?
they're all $30 for one of the little ones.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then this one's 100 mils. These are $70.
Okay.
But if you buy this one, you get 2 for free, and then if you
Yeah.
buy this one, you get 1 for free.
Oh.
One of your choice.
Oh, this one and that. I like these
Yeah,
two.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, see, I like the Tongan one.
I love your subtle scent.
Yeah.
But that's our business card if you
Yeah.
want to follow us. So you just follow us, and then
Yeah.
we also have a website where you can click and then we'll come and deliver.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh,
like a
interesting.
collect sort of thing. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I really like this one and this one. Which one of these two?
See, but that's my personal favorite, just because I love perfume as well.
Yeah.
So I just put that on.
Oh,
Are you guys cousins?
sisters.
Yeah, no, I like this one.
Which one? This one? Yeah, no, this is the first one I smell. But this one is like a body oil, eh?
Yeah, and hair.
And
If you
hair.
want your hair to like, if you want to rejuvenate your hair from like damage, if you want your hair to be longer or thicker, it helps. The key thing for it is to help it grow in that is to be consistent. And that's like with every other product.
Yeah. Yeah, consistent with it. And it was sturdy, right?
Yeah. Just pop up the detail and you gotta make some money. Yeah. It's good for hair.
I really like the smell of this thing.
Did you want me to like cook it?
Oh, yes, please.
Just like me for
Yeah.
for your mom's like,
And what was your name?
my name's Louie.
Oh, nice to meet you, Louis.
Nice to meet you too.
No worries. Thank you so much for
Follow
your
us on
time.
Instagram. Just,
Definitely
see
will.
our website, and then
Yeah.
if you don't want to go out to the market, we can deliver you guys.
Thank you so much for that.
Thank you. You too.
See ya. Bye.
Here.
I really like the smell of this thing, you guys. So I bought this from the two girls, but it smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen, but that's very unfortunate. For everybody out there, I'm warning you. Cheer, bro.
Oh my god.
Alama Modi friends.
Wait, where are we going?
I have no idea. I'm following you.
We're supposed to go inside.
We are currently at the Pacific Bakery.
Yeah, and this is the bakery that my parents always get their pies from in the morning.
You guys can see them.
Can I get 12 yellow pants?
And that is us for today at the flea market. Ba-ba-bum.
Tangi atulo uloto fa atawana. Oh, yo way. Na ne imana tuile la bolangele tuma.
Go! Osso! Go on, oi! Moi! Yo! Hey! Awak salah! Penalty strike!
going home. Oh, that's such a cute puppy. Hello. Oh. So cute. Hello. Oh.
You're playing the wrong time.
See ya. Bye. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh, so cute. I think it's still following. Oh no. Do you guys want me to help you take the dog? Oh dear. So cute. I really want a puppy, you guys, but my dad does not like the idea of having a puppy. Hello, mother.